Did you know that Jeff Bezos recently sold nearly 12 million Amazon shares worth at least $2 billion? Let's rewind a bit, back to the early days of Amazon. It was the mid-90s and the internet was just beginning to take the world by storm. In a small garage in Seattle, a man named Jeff Bezos was about to make history. With a vision of an online marketplace that could offer everything from A to Z, he founded Amazon. Initially, Amazon was nothing more than an online bookstore. Bezos, however, was not content with just selling books. He saw the potential in the internet, a potential for a store that could sell anything and everything, and so he set about making his vision a reality. In 1997, Amazon went public. The initial public offering was a significant milestone, not just for Amazon, but for the entire e-commerce industry. The company's shares were priced at just $18 each. A couple named Mary and Larry bought 2 shares for their 12-year-old son. Little did they know that this small investment would multiply exponentially over the years. Bezos, as founder and CEO, was instrumental in Amazon's growth. Under his leadership, Amazon expanded beyond books and into a wide range of products, forever changing the way we shop. His relentless focus on customer service and innovation has been a key driver of Amazon's success. From a small online bookstore to a global e-commerce giant, Amazon's journey has been nothing short of spectacular. But what happens when the man at the helm decides to sell his shares? So, why did Bezos sell these shares and how did he go about it? Well, let's delve into the details. Jeff Bezos, the executive chairman of Amazon, recently made a move that made headlines. He sold nearly 12 million shares of Amazon stock. That's right, 12 million. Now, this wasn't a small-scale sale. Nope, the collective value of these shares was more than $2 billion. Just to put that into perspective, if we were to stack $2 billion $1 bills, it would reach over 130 miles high. That's more than halfway to the International Space Station. That's a lot of dough, right? But let's get back to the topic at hand. How did Bezos sell these shares? Well, the stocks were grouped and sold in 5 blocks. The smallest block was 1 million shares, and the largest exceeded 3.2 million shares. This strategic move allowed Bezos to maximize his returns and manage the sale effectively. But here's a twist. This sale was not a spontaneous decision. It was a calculated move by Bezos, disclosed to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on the 7th and 8th of February. It's always important to remember that significant stock sales like this aren't done on a whim. They require planning, strategy, and most importantly, timing. Interestingly, in a separate filing, Bezos also listed the proposed sale of 50 million Amazon shares with an estimated market value of $8.4 billion. Yes, you heard it right, $8.4 billion. That's 4 times the amount he just sold. The sale of these shares represents a significant move by Bezos, but this isn't the end of it. So keep your eyes peeled, folks. It seems like Bezos is far from done with making waves in the stock market. Who knows what his next move will be? What does Bezos plan to do next? That's the question on everyone's mind as we delve into the future plans of the former Amazon CEO. In an intriguing move, Bezos has made a separate filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. This filing reveals his intention to sell an additional 50 million Amazon shares. With an estimated market value of a staggering $8.4 billion, this proposed sale is no small feat. But what does this mean for Bezos and Amazon? To understand this, we must travel back to 2021, a pivotal year for both Bezos and the multinational company. It was the year when Bezos decided to step down as the CEO of Amazon. This decision was not a signal of retreat, but rather a strategic move that would allow Bezos to focus more on his other ventures. Bezos, a man of many interests and ambitions, has always been forward-thinking. With his decision to step down from Amazon's helm, he has given himself the freedom to devote more time and resources to his other projects. These include Blue Origin, his rocket company that aims to make space travel more accessible, and his philanthropic endeavors that aim to make a positive impact on society. Of course, the sale of Amazon shares does not mean Bezos is completely severing his ties with the company. As the executive chairman, he continues to play a crucial role in shaping the company's future. However, it's clear that his focus is shifting. Bezos is a man on a mission, constantly searching for the next big thing, the next frontier to conquer. So, as we witness Bezos divest his Amazon shares, we're not just observing a change in his investment strategy, we're witnessing a shift in his journey, his transformation from the CEO of a global e-commerce giant to a visionary with grand ambitions that extend beyond our planet. As Bezos continues to divest his Amazon shares, it's clear his focus is shifting towards his other ventures. And with that, we eagerly wait to see what the future holds for this extraordinary entrepreneur. What does this mean for Amazon and its shareholders? A question that is undoubtedly on many minds following the news of Jeff Bezos' substantial stock sale. Given the scale of this move, it's only natural to ponder its potential implications for Amazon and its shareholders. When a figure as influential as Bezos sells a significant amount of shares, it can send ripples through the stock market. These ripples can be felt by investors across the globe, causing shifts in investor sentiment and market dynamics. It's worth noting that this is not necessarily a cause for alarm. High-profile investors and executives often sell their shares for a variety of reasons, ranging from personal financial planning to funding other ventures. In Bezos' case, he has been open about his intention to fund his other projects, such as Blue Origin, his space exploration company. The sale of his Amazon shares could very well be a strategic move to inject more capital into these ventures and accelerate their progress. For Amazon shareholders, this could potentially lead to short-term volatility in the stock's price. However, it's important to remember that Amazon's success is not solely dependent on Bezos. The company is powered by a robust and innovative team that continues to drive its growth and success in the global market. Moreover, Bezos remains the executive chairman of Amazon, indicating his ongoing commitment and influence in the company's strategic direction. His sale of shares does not equate to a reduction in his dedication to Amazon's prosperity. The impact of Bezos' stock sale on investor sentiment is a little more nuanced. For some, it might raise questions about the company's future, while for others, it could be seen as an opportunity to acquire more shares if the price dips as a result of the sale. While Bezos' stock sale may raise questions, it's clear that his influence on Amazon and the wider tech industry will continue to be felt. His strategic vision has been a driving force behind Amazon's success, and it's likely that his influence will endure, even as he reallocates his wealth to other endeavors. But what does this mean in a broader context? As we examine the grand tapestry of Jeff Bezos' career, we see a narrative that extends beyond the confines of Amazon. This story tells us about the metamorphosis of a tech entrepreneur who has chosen to evolve and expand his horizons. From his humble beginnings in a garage in Seattle, Bezos built an empire that revolutionized the way we shop. But just as Rome wasn't built in a day, Bezos didn't stop at Amazon. In the past few years, he has decidedly shifted his focus towards other projects. His decision to step down as Amazon's CEO in 2021 marked a significant turning point. One of these ventures is Blue Origin, a space exploration company. Bezos is investing in the final frontier, contributing to the advancements of space travel and potentially paving the way for interstellar tourism. The sale of his Amazon shares may very well be fueling these ambitions. His philanthropic efforts also paint a picture of a man who is keen on making a difference. Through various initiatives, he's been able to contribute to environmental causes, education, and social equality. His wealth, amassed from his tech ventures, is now being channeled towards affecting change. The transition from tech titan to philanthropist and space explorer is not just about Bezos' personal journey. It's a testament to the evolving landscape of tech entrepreneurship. It shows us that those at the helm of tech giants can leverage their influence and wealth to drive innovation in other fields. But this transition also comes with its set of challenges. As Bezos ventures into new territories, he will have to navigate the complexities and uncertainties that these new frontiers present. It's a journey that many will be watching closely, not just for its impact on Bezos' legacy, but for the ripple effects it could have on the tech industry and beyond. As Jeff Bezos continues to redefine his role and reshape his legacy, one thing's for sure, the tech world will be watching.